Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you how to join granny squares with a slip stitch which makes a flat seam. The materials I'll be using today are 8-ply wool, which is like worsted in the US and DK in the UK. I've got a 2.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle to weave in my ends, scissors, and I've got 2 completed granny squares. Now to start, I'm just going to make a slip knot. And then I insert my hook into the outer loop of the corner of my first granny square and bring the loop of the slip knot through and then pull it tight. And then I put my hook into the outer loop of the corner of the second granny square and just slip stitch through that stitch and through the other stitch. For the second stitch, I put my hook into the next stitch, the outer loop of the first granny square, and the outer loop of the next stitch of the second granny square, and bring it through all the loops. And I continue working like that. Hook into the outer loop of the next stitch of the first granny square and the outer loop of the next stitch of the second granny square and bring it through all the loops. And then just continue working like that. Hook into the next stitch of the first granny square, hook into the next stitch of the second granny square, yarn around and take it through all the loops. And then just work along the granny square like that, not pulling too tight. And there's the granny squares joined. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.